Hello friends, today we are going to make silk thread bangles. I have these wooden bangles with me and I don't wear it anymore, so I thought of why not to change it to silk thread bangles. So you can use your wooden bangles or you can use glass bangles as well. Then we need silk thread, fabric glue, a scissor and a cardboard. So let's get started. Wrap the silk thread to cardboard around 20 to 25 times. I have wrapped around 20 times. Now let's cut it. Apply some glue on the tip. Take the bangle. Apply some glue on the bangle too. And place the silk thread. Press it firmly. Let it dry for around a minute or less than a minute. Once it's dry, start wrapping the bangle with the silk thread. If silk thread finishes in between, do not worry. Just with the help of fabric glue, stick it to the bangle and again wrap around the cardboard for 20-25 times. Then again start wrapping it to the bangle. Start from where you have left. Apply some fabric glue. Place the silk thread. And you are good to go. apply some Fevicol at the end. Cut the excess thread. And apply some more glue. And your silk thread bangle is ready. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such video, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.